it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. But it's over now.
Hello guys, it's me again, Shiela Piet, and for today's video, I will be showing you another DIY project. We decided to hang a non-woven wallpaper in our bedrooms. To start, you will be needing the wallpaper of your choice. Of course, tape measure, brush, steel ruler, pencil, plastic smoothing tool, utility knife, and ladder. Before you can start to put up the wallpaper, it's necessary to ensure that the wall is properly prepared, primed, clean, and no dust. This is to ensure that the wallpaper adhesive will not be obstructed by dirt or grime. It is also better if you remove the face plates from any electrical outlets or light switches so that the wallpaper can be cut to fit around the opening. And don't forget to switch off your electricity. One of the most important steps during wallpaper installation is creating a guideline for the first strip. This guide will serve as the reference point for ensuring every other strip of wallpaper is lined up properly. You can start in a corner in the middle of the wall, but it's necessary to make sure the guide is straight. It is also very important to use the right paste for your paper. The installed wallpaper will likely still have some rough edges, overhanging pieces, and maybe even air bubbles trapped under the surface. To finish the job, use a smoothing tool to go over the entire surface of the wallpaper and smooth out any remaining air bubbles. For me personally, I find it difficult to hang the wallpaper when there is a pattern. If there is no pattern, it's very easy. When lining up a pattern, hold up the roll to see where it matches and start the previous process all over again. Always cutting the section longer than you need, starting from the ceiling. Always work left to right and keep an eye on the pattern to ensure it's always matching up. It is also safer to cut the overhanging edges when the wallpaper is dry, because if you cut it while it's wet, the wallpaper may get torn.
Ayan, malapit ko nang matapos ang wallpaper. Cuttings na lang ang kulang.
This is the walk-in closet. The walls have wallpapers already, and I decided to paint the slanted roof with white paint so it matches the wallpaper also.
I finished one side. I'm going to put that black print later when I'm done.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Bye! See you on my next vlog!